Number 10. Excalibur, the legendary sword of King Arthur, said to be the rightful king's sword. It represents Arthur's sovereignty and is often associated with the Arthurian legends and the quest for the Holy Grail. Number 9. Joyeuse, a sword associated with Charlemagne, the first Holy Roman Emperor. It was a symbol of Charlemagne's authority and is believed to have contained various holy relics. Number 8. Masamune. The name refers to multiple swords crafted by Goro Nyudo Masamune, a famous Japanese swordsmith from the 13th century. His swords are renowned for their exceptional craftsmanship, beauty, and sharpness. Number 7. Tizona, the sword wielded by El Cid, a Spanish hero and military leader during the medieval period. Tizona symbolizes Castilian chivalry and valor, and it played a significant role in the reconquest of Spain from the Moors. Number 6. Durandal. According to legend, Durandal was the sword of Roland, a legendary paladin of Charlemagne's court. It was said to be indestructible and was associated with tales of heroism and bravery. Number 5. Zulfikar, a symbolic sword associated with Ali ibn Abi Talib, the cousin and son-in-law of the Islamic prophet Muhammad. It represents his bravery and leadership, making it an important symbol in Islamic culture. Number 4. Wallace sword, allegedly used by the Scottish knight William Wallace during the Wars of Scottish Independence. The sword represents the Scottish struggle for independence and the courage of its people. Number 3. Kusanagi no Tsurugi, grass-cutting sword. It is one of Japan's imperial regalia. According to legend, it was discovered in the body of a slain serpent and represents the authority of the Japanese imperial family. Number 2. Kılıç is one of the most authentic Turkish swords in history. The Kılıç, also known as the Yatagan, is a distinctive Turkish sword characterized by a curved blade and a hilt that flares at the hilt. In different periods, it was widely used by the cavalry and infantry of the Ottoman Empire. Number 1. One of the most revered Russian swords is Shashka. Shashak is a traditional Russian sword that originated in the Caucasus region and later became associated with the Cossacks and the Russian army. Shashk is characterized by its single-edged and slightly curved blade, which widens towards the tip. It has a distinctive handle design with a cross guard and a handle that often incorporates materials such as wood, bone, or horn.